What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over a Matic quick one, sitting at $1.16, down 0.68 on the day. See market cap at 9.96 billion, 24-hour volume 325 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses. Or sorry, Bikit or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Check out my full length tutorials. Email me your sign up email, completely free access to my Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies. So let's hop to the charts. So we've been looking for that wave B for Matic. It does look like we've completed an ending diagonal wave 5. You can see here from the wave 4, we have a nice wave 1 down. There's your wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So you may be looking to now come up in that wave B. That could take you all the way up in between about $1.22 to $1.30 before seeing continuation to the downside. If we were to break lower, it simply means that this 5-wave move isn't complete into the wave A, but it does look like we could see a nice little bounce. We created a nice, beautiful double bottom, huge bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. So there's good opportunity that we do see that bounce to push up in that wave B. And as we are looking on the daily time frame posted in the Discord, the money flow has come all the way down towards oversold, broke the bottom level. And as you can see, usually when we're this low, as you can see right here, we saw a bounce. Let's look at some other scenarios where we're this low. Yeah, so back in here, we saw a bounce to the upside. If we look down here, we were quite low and we saw a large push to the upside. So once again, we're actually lower than that. And we're currently sitting on the 50 SMA, which is this purple line where we're finding support. So there is good opportunity to see a bounce in that wave B. As I mentioned, if we do simply create a lower low, then that 5-wave move isn't complete, but we are seeing some good signals that we can start to put in that wave B. Currently, we're in 3 trades, which I gave signals for in the Discord, which is available for 10 USD per month. You'll get access to the VIP rooms, my trade signals, my analysis posted daily. Crypto news, member profits, Mahalo all plays, everything else is completely free. If you sign up to Bikit or Bybit, grab those bonuses, email me your sign up email. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.